toe, I'm going to say, scene.
What were you throwing in, you bloody wanker?
Monkey bells, enjoy your monkey praise. Monkey bells.
Hello, I wish to register a complaint. Hello? Hello?
That was easy.
Hello, miss.
What do you mean, myth?
Huh? Sorry, I have a cold. I wish to register a complaint.
Sorry, Charlie. We're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot, what I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. Well, what's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. He's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No. He's just resting.
Look, matey, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
He's not dead. He's resting. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue, isn't it? Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, he's resting.
Well then, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly! Polly Parrot! I've got a lovely fresh cuttlefish for you if you...
Look there, see, he moved.
No, he didn't. That was you in the cage.
I never.
Yes, you did.
I never did anything.
Hello, Polly! Polly Parrot! Come here, you little bugger. Polly Parrot, wake up! This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now that's what I call a dead parrot. Is he stunned?
No, you just stunned him.
Stunned?
Yeah, you stunned him. Just as he was waking up. You know, Norwegian blues stun easily.
Now look. I've had enough of this. This parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it not half an hour ago, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out after a prolonged squawk.
Well, he's probably just pining for the fjord.
Pointed for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did he fall flat on his back the moment I got him home?
Well, the Norwegian blue prefers keeping on its back. Remarkable bird. Lovely plumage.
Look, matey, I took the liberty of examining that parrot when I got him home, and I discovered that the only reason that it had been sitting on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there.
Well, of course I nailed it there. If I hadn't have nailed it there, it would have nuzzled up to those bars, bent them apart with its beak, and boom.
Mate, this bird wouldn't boom if you put 4 million volts through it. He's bleeding demise.
No. He's pining.
He's not pining, he's passed on. This bird is no more. He's ceased to be. He's expired and gone to meet his maker. He's a stiff, bereft of life. He's rest in peace. If you hadn't nailed him to that perch, he'd be pushing up the daisies. His metabolical processes are now history. He's off the twig. He's kicked the bucket. He's shuffled down his mortal coil, run down the curtain, and joined the bleeding choir invisible! This is an ex-parrot!
You don't have to be so mean!
Sorry! Take a moment.
Well, I better replace the tent.
If you want to get anything done, then it's... If you want to get anything done in this country, you've got to complain until you're blue in the mouth.
Sorry. We're right out of parrots.
Oh, I see. I get the picture.
You got a slug.
Pray, does it talk?
Not really.
Well, then, it's hardly a bloody replacement, then, is it?
Well, I guess not.
Well,
Hey. Want to come back to my place?
yeah, sure, why not? Sorry, chap.